and take you behind the scenes of a business meetup in Frankfurt. From a lot of networking to looking at some really expensive cars. You don't want to miss this video. Like and subscribe, and let's dive right into the video. On this video I will show you my whole day on a business trip. Today I'm meeting up with a lot of friends, a lot of business partners, and I'm showing you the true reality, how it is to meet up with these big fishes. I've already checked in my hotel room.
So wrong, got paid but I had to stretch it. Now I'm posted up trying to get it. She like, why you heartless? These hoes won't even get it. I got mad and I wanted to pull man up if bros on.
It's one of the best hotels in Frankfurt here, because the meetup's in Frankfurt. Now we will go in the city and we will test a few products, because I'm building my own big brand. And now let's get into the video. I'll show you everything uncensored. Let's get it.
Fed on the block, let's relocate if shit gets hot.
Shit, what you saying though, man? I don't hear from you no more, bro. You good? I'll check on man, fam. Just been on the block, man.
Okay guys, we just finished eating and the steak was mid, so I expected better because the last steakhouse was way better. But yeah, it was okay. After that we were in the city for like 30 minutes meeting up with someone, and now we go back to the hotel and meet all the other guys again, and just have a fun time. I will document a bit, I will make a few videos. And now we are meeting up with some gay lords here.
Ich bin kein Gaylord, ich bin Lord.
First, I'm going to say goodnight to you. Tomorrow we will see us again and you will get a lot of value. And now, good night. As you can see, there were a lot of people on this meetup, and one thing which was really important was the networking. Just if you meet some people, if you see someone with a nice car, go up to them and talk to them. What are you doing? What are you doing for work? What are your goals for this year? And remember things like their name, their age, and what they're doing, because it's very embarrassing if you ask them again, what was your name again, and stuff like that. And if you are pro at a specific topic like social media, tell them you can look up their social media, you can give them some tips and just like be helpful. Tell them you can help them in the future and they will help you too. It's like having these people you can depend on is very important for your career. And remember, connections have a very high worth, because you can potentially meet a client, you can meet a business partner, you can meet your new worker, you can meet your new boss. Show your best side, be yourself, and everything will work out.